Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter 23 fundamental concepts, and we are on the line segment. Okay, we have seen about ray last video. All right, so line segment, we have seen line, we have seen ray, and now we will be seeing line segment. Okay, what is segment? Segment is part of something. Okay, so a line segment is a part of a straight line. You know straight line. What is the meaning of straight line? So a line segment is a part of a straight line. So let's see. So this is the line. Okay, and so this. So A, B and C, right? So AB, so I can say line segment AB, line segment BC, also line segment, also line AC. Okay, line AC, not segment. Segment is limited version. So AB, I can measure length of AB, I can measure length of BC, but I cannot measure length of AC because both sides arrows are there. Okay, both sides arrows are there, so this is infinite. So AB, BC, line AB, line segment AB and line segment BC. What is the meaning? That is a part of line. So line segment AB is a part of line AC, line segment BC is a part of line AC. Okay. So a line segment is a part of line as well as of a ray. Okay, line segment. Okay, first we'll see. You can write it as two endpoints are there. The meaning of endpoints means you cannot extend on any of its direction. Once you have drawn, means that is only its final length. You cannot see or both side full stop. I call it as full stop because that will remind you that this length, it is limited. So A, B, this is initial point or end point, this is initial point or end point, means both the sides you cannot extend because there is no arrow. And second thing, this full stop mentions that it cannot be extended. Okay, so the length of line segment is limited. So let's make the following facts clear. 1 minute. I think, line segment is a part of a line as well as of a ray. What is it the meaning? I have explained in previous, but then let's see. Let's see ray. If suppose this is A and this is B. So this is AB. AB is line segment. Okay, so we can see ray, it is ray AB, that's sure. But if I talk about from here to here, from this point to this point, it is also segment AB. See, segment is like segment only. I draw it this way. I draw segment this way. Segment AB, line segment AB. So I write also this way. Okay. So let's see now. Let's make the following facts clear. This is line AB. You can see when line means both the sides arrows are there. Line AB, it can be written in this way, or it can be written in this way, or it can be written in this way. Second, ray AB, I can write this way or I can write this way. You can see the symbol for ray. It's just like an arrow. Okay. So AB, initial point is A, so A should be written first. Means this line has emerged from A or end point. Initial point or end point. So A, B. And why we call it end point? Because you cannot extend from here. Okay. And then third, ray BA, you can see BA is equal to ray BA. So you can write it this way or this way. See, from here it is emerging. So here you can extend in any way. So its starting point or emerging point is B. Okay. So fourth, line segment AB or BA. AB, if you write BA, no issues. If you write if you write AB or BA, there is no issues. Why? Because this will length will not change. Whatever length, it is fixed. Okay. So the major factors In a line, the length can be extended from both the directions. In a ray, the length can be extended only in one direction, and in a line segment, the line has limit. It is endless. Sorry, the line has limit, and you cannot extend it on both the directions. Okay, it has a fixed length. A line has a fixed line segment has a fixed length. Okay, so surface. So a surface has length and width but no thickness. Surface, a page of your book, the outside of a box. Blackboard represents surfaces. Your wall, room wall or school classroom wall, these are all surfaces. A surface may be flat or curved. The surface of a wall is flat, while the surface of cricket ball is curved, but it is a surface. Okay. So plane, it is a flat surface. Plane is a flat surface. A plane has, see, surface, this, if you talk only surface, it can be curve or flat, but when you talk about plane, it's a flat surface. So a plane has length, width but no thickness. So see your books, this is the page. So it has length. See, a book has length, it has breadth or width, but it doesn't has height. It doesn't have height. Okay. So a plane has length, width but no thickness. Thickness means height. A page of your book, the surface of the wall, the top of the table are some examples of planes. So when a straight line is drawn through any 2 points on a plane, the line lies entirely within the plane. A plane is a surface that extends indefinitely in all directions. So plane is a surface which extends indefinitely in all the directions. Means, suppose this, if I want to extend, I can extend. If I want to extend this, I can extend. If I want to extend from. So a plane is a surface that extends indefinitely in all the directions. So now the most important part is, see, you have to read all these things. Okay, children. So reading. I always tell you that reading of the textbook is extremely important in maths too. Okay, so it's not always solving the sum, but knowing the details, you have to read the textbook compulsorily. So next we'll see parallel lines. Parallel lines, two straight lines are said to be parallel to each other if they lie in the same plane. Same plane now. See, this plane is this page. Okay, so if one line is here and other line you have drawn in your notebook, means, so those are not parallel. If suppose if I draw here one line and you draw one line in your notebook at home, so we cannot say that this line is parallel to the line which is drawn in your notebook at your home. So the plane is this. It is defined that this is the plane. So this is the parallel. These are the parallel lines. Okay, because they are on the same plane. So two lines are said to be parallel to each other if they lie in the same plane and do not meet even when produced up to an extent on either side. Means what? First thing, two lines should be in the one plane. So if suppose this is one plane and this is the second plane, if I draw one here and one here, no meaning. Okay, so they won't be considered as parallel. So the plane should be one and this line is parallel to this line. Why it is parallel to this line? Because if I extend it, see, I'm extending in on both the directions, but there are no chances of meeting. There are no chances of meeting. Okay, so from here, from here, from here, so even if I extend out of plane, it is not going to meet. If I extend from here, it is not going to meet. So then they are known as parallel lines. So if I write it A, B, P, Q, so these are the line AP. AB is parallel to line PQ. See, both sides, both the directions, arrows are there. So we say that these lines are parallel. So how to write parallel? Line AB, See, line AB is parallel to line PQ. This is the way to represent parallel lines. Or line AB is parallel to line PQ. But this is best one, I think so. So when you write this, it shows we are talking about line. So line A, and how to read it, line AB is parallel to line PQ. Okay, so this is also, these are also two parallel lines. So if I write PQRS, so PQ, line PQ is parallel to line RS. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept of parallel lines. Okay, next is intersecting lines. If two lines lie in the same plane and are not parallel to each other, they are called as intersecting lines. So same rule, that they should be in the same line. And let's see, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means this. Means they are intersecting, they are meeting. So AB, C, D. AB is parallel, AB is intersecting, AB intersects, we say that AB intersects, line AB intersects line CD. So there is no particular, children, symbol to show it. Like in parallel, we have this symbol, right? So there is no particular symbol for showing intersecting lines. So we have to directly write that here line CD is intersecting line AB at this point. So this point O is called point of intersection. Point of intersection. Okay. So now you will see, they are not meeting also here. Then too, how come these line AB is line AB intersects line CD? If you will extend it, you will see that they intersect here, right? So they are called as intersecting lines. Here also same thing, line AB intersects line CD, because if you extend, you will see that they meet here. So if they meet, they are intersecting. So if here you will see, if here I'll extend, they won't meet, so they are parallel. So parallel lines never meet and intersecting lines always meet. Okay, this is point O, you can see, is point of intersection, means there they intersect. So the distance between two parallel lines is always same, whereas the distance between two non-parallel lines keeps changing. Okay. Two different lines in a plane are either parallel or they intersect at one point. The definitions of parallel lines and intersecting lines are applicable only when the lines are in the same plane, when the lines are coplanar. Coplanar means they have the same plane. Means I cannot talk about the line here and one line drawn in other page. I have to talk about the line which is drawn in one plane only. Okay. Second thing, the distance between two parallel lines. So here if you will say, if I'll measure this distance, so if it is 2 centimeter, here also it will be 2 centimeter, here also it will be 2 centimeter. So wherever I measure in parallel lines, the distance will be always 2 centimeter only. So distance, now here it is 2 and somewhere it is 1, it's not possible. Okay, so here if it is 2, then everywhere it will be 2 centimeter only. But this is not possible in case of intersecting lines. So if now you'll see the distance between these two lines. So from here the distance, see, 1 centimeter, here it may be 2 centimeter, here it may be 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so here the distance will be same, here the distance will be changing all the time. Okay, and when we talk parallel lines, we talk that these two lines should be in the same plane, and when we talk about intersecting lines, these two intersecting lines should be in the same plane. So next, we'll meet in the next video, children. The time limit is going, video limit is going. Okay, take care and please read it again and again to understand, especially difference between line segment and ray. Okay, thank you so much and please take care.